Hey, what's up, Rain family? It's Jack Perry, the director of North America. So excited to be here today and to teach you a little bit about the back office. The back office is crucial to run your business. The back office, I like to tell people, it's your CFO, it's your COO, it's your CSO, it's all those things. The back office is meant to fulfill those roles so that you can run your business effectively. Today, I'd like to go over direct deposit. For those that would usually watch this video, that means that you've just barely enrolled and you are starting to build your business and your team. And so this is really important as a first step to set up your direct deposit so that you can start getting paid. So what you are looking at here is the back office on my screen. This is a tester account. So my screen might look a little bit different than yours, but you'll be able to get the same idea. The very first thing that we're going to do is come over to the left side where it says commissions. This is a very important widget to click on. So we're going to click on commissions there, and then it's going to pull up this menu here. And we want to click on this drop down that says commissions, and we want to scroll down to the second to bottom where it says commissions payout / direct deposit. As soon as you click on that, there will be a button that says to fill it out. Fill out your bank account, your routing number, and everything, and it will be able to automatically set up a direct deposit.